Hello, welcome to this show. In this video we will learn about timer. So start, click run and enter hour, for instance 0, enter minute, for instance 0, enter second, for instance 10. So it will count from 0 until 10 seconds and then stop. This is called timer. Okay, and then if we try to enter hour again, 0 minute is 1 minute and enter second is second. We will wait until 1 minute. This is the code. First we ask what is the hour, enter the hour, and then second we ask enter the minute and set the user input to minute variable and hour variable and second variable, and the third we ask about second and we set it to second variable, and then we have 3 loops: I loops, G loop and K loops. K is for second, J loop is for minute, I loop is for hour, and the second K loop is until 59, and J is until 59 and I is until 23. And the text window write line is like this, and then we output the I, G and K to the text window and then wait for 1 second, and then we give if hour is same as the user input entered and J is same as minute user entered and the second is same as user entered, and then we go to quit here, quit the loop, stop the loop, and play the Sound.PlayChime and then write TextWindow.WriteLine. Okay, that's the code. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.